Yeah.
Alright, boys and girls, we're back from the intro. Got my mic here. So let's break into this. So we're gonna be doing keycaps, obviously. These keycaps, these switches, I guess, are they're yellows, Gatoron yellows, as you can see if you saw the other video. And these are the keycaps. So let's install these bad boys. Okay, so first, obviously you want to take all the keycaps off. So let me see if I can even shut this thing, man. Jeez. So let's take all the keycaps and then we'll replace some. Yeah. So speed this up, please, if you can. I don't know. Alright guys, so here's what it looks like without any keycaps on it. Obviously all yellow switches. So now let's place in the new ones. Let's get it. Now we just gotta move these out of the way. So many keycaps. Okay. So let's bring in this bad boy right here. To be yourself. Now these keycaps were not too expensive. Let's check this whole foam thing out. Hopefully we don't lose any. Oh my god, it does come with its own puller. Okay, that's pretty nice. I should probably lift it up before. But so you can have, there's a different one. You can also have a butterfly. It's really hard to see, but you can have a butterfly. So this can also be your 70% keyboard. Or if you don't really care to have like this other stuff. And yeah. So that's pretty cool. Yeah. I don't know if there's okay. So the only thing you will have to remember if you have a keyboard that's 60% and has like all the F keys or whatever, is that it will, you will need to know that this key is F, what is it, F2 something? It's like special, there's like a special key for it. Oh my god, I'm moving all these around. So, oh you guys, what the hell? This thing's bugging. Yeah, so you can't really see it, Bill, because this camera doesn't have a clean HDMI right now. But let's get on to putting these on. Oh, and they also have these this custom one that you guys can barely see, but we'll show you a close-up when I get all these in. So let's roll back the whatever that crap's called. Alright guys, so that is it for that, this bad boy right here. So we have kind of the cool, cool space bar, cool shift, shift, No, enters, sorry. Obviously they're new, so they feel a little different. But these ones were a little bit wider, I believe, so the spaces in between. I mean, I think they're relatively the same, so. These ones are a little bit higher, and they look a little nicer. But I will say these keycaps are a lot smaller, like, what do you call it, like width. So like, you be playing, right? And then you could like hit other things, but I think it's just something you got to get used to. So switches are everything's the same, so it's not gonna hinder very much, but I will say this is very, very nice. Zoom out. Zoom out. So guys, that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, don't forget to smash that like button, turn on the post notifications, and in the comments tell me what type of keyboard switches you have in your keyboard. And if you don't know, that's fine. Just be like, I play on Xbox or PlayStation and stuff. So I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. What are you guys still doing here? I told you to leave. Leave. You are the reason that I still lose myself up in those eyes. I just had to let you know you're